Welcome to the Ancient Indian Arts. What is best time for meditation? Different medical and psychological researches have shown that meditation has plenty of mental and physical health benefits. It helps to reduce stress, it enhances concentration, improve sleep, manage pain, and lower the high blood pressure. Now, the point is that what is the best time to meditate? Should one practice meditation in daytime or in night? There are so many expert opinions in this regard. This is true that the best time varies from person to person depending upon on the schedule and needs. But still there are some general recommendation. Morning time. Most of the researchers throughout the world and religious books recommend morning time. Early morning time is the best suited for meditation. Before breakfast is generally a good time to meditate. And second opinion is whenever you are in stress. It is true that meditation gives immediate results in relieving stress. So if you are in stress, it is advisable to sit for meditation. There are so many other recommendations from different experts, but today I am giving you a practical expert advice. Did you know that you all have an expert sitting within your body, within you? The hidden expert sitting within you would tell you what is the best time for you to meditate. I am telling you an ancient Indian technique with the help of which you would know yours best time to meditate. This is an ancient Indian yogic art, a scientific psychomedical method. This method was originally told by Lord Shiva, very holy book and very great book, a secret book in Indian scripture, Shiv Sarvodaya Shastra. With the help of this technique, you would better know that when your body wants meditation, when your mind is fit for meditation. So recommendation didn't require here. You didn't require an expert because you already have an expert within yourself. Let's see how it would happen. Normally we breathe through our nostrils. There is a scientific scripture known as Shiv's Sarvodaya Shastra or Swara Yoga that concern about science of breathing meditation. Swara Yoga is a science related to breathe and our two hemisphere of brains and nasal cycle. According to an article published in an official website of National Center for Biotechnology Information Advances Sciences and Health by providing access to biomedical and genomic information USA, that an association has been reported between dominant nostril through which we breathe and cerebral hemisphere found to be active. So breathing pattern changes automatically through two nostril. Sometimes we breathe through left nostril and sometimes we breathe through right, and other time we breathe through both the nostril equally. There is a great secret behind this, but our today concern is to know about our personal timing for meditation. So when there is equal flow of breath through both the nostril, it is the time for meditation, especially for you. It is time that your body wants to meditate. According to Swara Shastra, any action, any type of work done during this period will be destroyed, will not be materialized. This is this time when your breath is flowing from both the nostril equally. According to Swara Yoga, this particular flow of breath through both the nostril equally is called Sushumna Nadi. So when there is Sushumna flowing, you can meditate. This is the only time for meditation for you. So time for meditation is different from individual to individual and will be informed to you by your own expert who is sitting within your body. So best time to meditate is flow of Sushumna Nadi. When both nostrils are active, try to meditate and give your feedback in comment box. Thank you very much. Have a good day.